Long term. Why does it? Ah, that's a marine. Was what tuition did but do this is about 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Then we ended up with the vacancy, Shamaria, and then fun one way. I'm going to go Miru and ask Jamai. I was a woman as Mugagara Jamai. Eh. For my qualifications, I've been out of Zoom. I do win a bit easier. One was a daughter. Yeah, we managed to confirm. Data to Pinzia, Pasha the Bruning water on the gum. Mamma, two. I have the squeeze. The squeeze, I was no good. Yes, I can walk back up a number of these. Jackson did I repeat the for WhatsApp? But I did go show.
When I'm feeding alcohol, you confessing. When I'm resting, let me from my command. The muckle of the movie, I don't pay myself. And I feel like
Stop. Shama, what's the Mungra? It isn't it?
It's a.
What are you eating? Also, Zamura.
Madam Fedru.
Shaman, this is Zimbabwe, Shaman. You know what to see and you come on.
You need to understand.
You understand what?
You know, recently those guys, they just came and beat me.
Wagara kuno kunorowa. Unongo chitora kuno automboziya kuti mukadzi wemunhu musikana. Uri kungoda kungoti akukujoza kuno. Mara kudi.
Mara bro.
Izvezvona izvezvi zvingodze kumugere. Chadamukanekera basa rese munhu.
Bro, you need to understand something.
Aiwa, hapana chinoda kunoda kubvunzisiswa.
Bro, please.
Unofanira kunotsvaga basa, waiziya. Zimbabwe izvezvi zvaisiye kuti
Bro, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. I came here because of Tutula.
Yeah, it's fault, but it
was something inevitable. I couldn't control it.
But remember, my guest they would use Voda they would use. Snoop at the runner. Charles, how much in the moment? For no other bar saver.
But no one could be
best. You, Muzbaba will shy as a wheat. Once. I'll shy. Uno uya ndokati unoda uyochera ngakulinga anoda munhu anomuka na tuko zvinozindira tobasa.
I'm telling you, I wanted some rest, you know, those guys. They almost butchered me. You should consider going to
the blue. No fair. Muga.
Okay. So, what are we eating today, Buffett?
What big it?
Tout ça n'est ma tête mis en vie. Va nous me rader. Ton cas n'est ma tête mis en vie. Mais ne va me rader. Tout ça n'est ma tête mis en vie. Ne va me rader.
Akapinga baba usoketa mkumbi. Akapinga nambo kagera ngomfana wepasira hapa.
Hapa sasa hapa.
Nasi Tuesday, nasi ji. Test.
Hapa kai.
Mari yacho rutorwadza kunana mari.
Control up there.
Anotsvaka chikafu.
Asana pedza.
Wana chikuitika wana ghetto controller ane chimodza chaanofamba nacho chimaitimu. Abadzi kurowa se.
Janiko akadana namaiwe waya akasarwara. Unosvika achibvunza mughetto kana auziya zvimwe zvinhu.
Panogairwa paya baba kutobvunza wakatomboti.
Wati vana ghetto controller.
Vanogaira vaya.
Zviriko here izvozvo. Unokuudza chokwadi kuti shamwari apa pakapa uyu ndakamboita green. Kurwara zvekuita green.
Chibodza chacho
zvoitwa ngesola kusvika pazuva. Unomuudza chokwadi.
Awana ghetto controller ambomulaina.
Ona kutombopinda.
Baba momze akatombodetectorera but zvinopera ndaonekera tacho.
Iwewe chai.
Ndokutaurira. Baba isoro watudiki uti baba kuite zvamutaura azvibodza zvezvazvotremera. Aisoro zara vane nzara ida. Zara nayo chenyanya. Dai wapura radzoka rada. Kuti dai ghetto controller radzoka rada moto. Kumono chakasatsa. Ready?
Bafetu. Elija
babo.
Habo. Murase?
Habo.
I'm okay. How's everything? Yeah, no. This week I'm actually developing, bro. Last week I was like completely lost, because I spent so much time in South Africa.
But it starts by peace, Jose.
Yeah. Yeah, I was old, my brother. I was old. How are you? You're looking very clean, my brother. There's no money today. Oh, how many runs do you guys work per day? Yeah. I mean, whatever.
So the balance on my USA.
How much do you?
15 to 20.
$15-20 per head. No, bro. Last week you left me when those people were beating me up. You left me like I'm a foreigner. I felt like I was in the middle of a dudula whilst you're just looking at me. Whilst you're doing a live streaming. Whilst people are beating me up, bro.
But I didn't post it.
Bro.
What's the problem? I didn't post it.
Mara, bro, you know what? There were two guys, you understand, which were beating me because of a girlfriend. You understand?
Yeah, I got you.
And this guy, he just came with his phone, live streaming whatever shit that was going on. Vele was angry that day, bro. I came to ndenge ndakauya kuZimbabwe, bro. You understand? Ndichiti ndikunoona na cousin na mabruise angu. You understand? But you acted like that. Yeah, it's okay, bro. But next time, you just, help me out. I'm a brother like you. So sometimes I'll find you in the middle of a crisis with a woman. I will leave you there, or in a beer or something. What are you drinking, bro? Yeah, mukumbi, mawambi murambi. No,
That's just not that.
No, mukona wangu mira ndikuuze mfano wangu ndakusiya ku primary we. You understand? Ndio mfano egara papa na majazi baita zisaza. You see?
Makuru wasofa.
Makuru naga ne matambudziko condolences bro. Umdara majachisa.
Chodaza.
Madheza yamurenu vamseka vachiti yemdara kusimba kwakati.
Hey, mukumbi.
Watu vatamika mkwero kasikete vako.
Ndawanzwa zvako.
Bro, they produce this in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
So they're creating jobs for other people.
Yeah. It's really good.
So why don't you just work there? Since you like it so much.
Tukazwandira paduro zvingaita. Aiwa, vanotiramwa mumaraini.
But it's a good beer. Kote tumbwa. You see?
Bakutomwa zvekupedza mukoma. Bakutomwa zvekupedza.
Ano.
Masara 3
So, boys, you know what? Semafia, you know. Just guys, help me out. I'm in a financial crisis. I'm in a financial
crisis now.
No, I'm here to I'm here to negotiate. Come on. You know, I'm your big brother. I came back recently because of Tutula, you know, the South Africans were shouting at us, go back to your country. We don't want.
Last time I did answer.
No, bro. You could have come, bro. You could have come.
Last time if I don't get Josa,
no, bro. No, bro. I was just inspired by Nasty C those days, you know.
And Rugo and Matas and Nasty City.
So, you know what? No, you know. Do you want me to talk about Ule something?
I was listen to my piano, bro. Just with the background, guys.
William Bende, bro. Yeah, I know. Yes. So, you know what, bro? And the junior swagger.
Yeah,
you know. So you know, bro. I just want you to you know, no, listen. No, listen. I'm looking for an opportunity to just work with you guys. I can just shout like what you do, guys. Man, and no. No, I have a South African.
Is it a Sadak?
Yeah, but it's almost expiring, you know. But I can be a conductor. No. Alright, but you know, I can be a conductor. Bro. Yeah, town kwenda mama. Mkwenda town. Yeah. Ikwenda town. You see, yeah, the mother is getting it. Yeah, get in, mama. Thank you. Get in. You know, I just
somebody make sure that hapana muripo up.
Is it?
Kacha pisa hapa.
Una huyu? We are na conductor. Is it? Sasa zote zile ndio watu
baende pa 1.
Oh, so brother, that's where you work here.
Audezere ko buchara chirungu kana wangu. Anobere wambira se kwa bere kwa.
Wera twabereki ndogona neshona. Barika shona yangu wiki.
Mira sana mara nezo. We are na conductor.
Town. Well, thanks guys, but you can no, bro. I no. Understand? I don't want a big money. Anything that you can give me. I just want to eat.
Ana time zaro abaga kati hapa na.
Hey. Ai.
We are the best. What understand?
Yo, town. No, I'm serious.
That's why
When I'm feeling alcohol, you confessing. Don't know guys then, let me from my command. Be more cool love movie out on the pay myself. And I feel like I'm money now I am a fan.
I'm gonna turn as Pretoria. Oh, arare. Da jaira ga Pretoria, guys. Italia da Sahara toda siyo. Vele toda zire mama. Kuma ka bana. Kwata ka banwa. Yatere yatomira yamkwire. Yamkwire gure yatomira. Vajango ida tauri ripe kavira iyo. Yako. Ubira chiri kuri. Tezara tane yakwenda. Marabasta. La jara marabasta tikamfetu.
No.
Jara marabasta tika. Awera kuba kabara. Akoma ngwedere. Gadi tura zikuba. Mrasi. Iri kutakwira ya kabira iyo. Ngoma. Pinda gum. Pinda gum. Bisem katu yo. Ngoma doiru batara. Yalo dasiyaya. Ya mote ba josa iyo. Ve saka badudula ne sunga pine mbota. 30 $. Yes. Hey, Jose, where are the dollars? Yeah, you know what, bro? We used to let these things kuurengini ugonda yepama bo yakto sara iyo
Mecho yisingazare.
yakto sara baba iyo
vakumana mimi.
Bebe chai kuarare.
Ngendripa manda yemomba andizvide.
Koma. Merasi.
Neoma.
Merasi bu. Madi. Yakto sara ka.
Asoneke webasa.
Ega. Pile mama.
Chinoshanda chimbane.
Pile mother. Yakto sara wale we kulis.
Zvozo zvinoita kuno kwizvozvo hatina inoprepa.
Ngairowe. Thanks akoma. You see. Anotsoka rimwe. Yo say thanks akoma. Mkoba mira vese. Yes aya yakamira iro yakirwe.
Tanga. Abadefone ndakanonga fone yandinetsa shangu. Yeye momja arongodoni zofone ndakatongo inonga ndakaitini andachema zangu baba kana. Andikurara kana haya ndinetsa fone. Echatomotsvaka ngomfano andichatoichapurira baba apodza pakashata. Aiziya. Aizimira sema ranting.
Eta XX.
Wala abomera basuka mfano ngokufonera.
Bafethi. Yeah. Long time, my bro. Hey, it is your stock, bro. Hey. Yeah, I just came break. How are you? I'm okay, bro. How's everything? I'm okay.
Yeah, long time since nobody.
I'm okay. You're looking very healthy, my brother.
Bad boss, Abu.
Yeah. Is this your customer? Yo, what do you want, bro? Plastic what? Plastic bag. Do you have some?
I didn't have a plastic bag.
Yo, he doesn't have. Thanks. Yes. Hey.
Like how do you go?
Hey, yeah, you're doing your things, bro. Yeah. So I just came back recently because of the situation you had.
Dudula operation.
Yeah. So I just came back here. So I'm just staying with my cousin brother. Yes. So, yeah, I'm okay. You are looking very muscular, my brother. Where are you going to the gym? You're no longer going. Yes. You're just relaxed. No, not even. I'm actually telling you, the South Africans are very angry because of the foreigners that side. You understand? They say, go back to your country. You Zimbabweans, you said you need to fix your own country. I say, do you think I can fix my own country by myself? Let me just, exactly. So, bro. No, nothing. They took everything on the border, bro. They took everything. I had my car, my house. I mean my blankets, my property, everything. They took everything at the border. Yo, you're selling a phone?
No iPhone. No.
It's an iPhone. Yeah, it's an iPhone. Oh, is it an original?
Yeah, original phone. Yes. Where am I bypass? It's somebody to go man.
It's not a China.
I'm not a China. I am my refurb.
Oh, it's not a refurb.
China.
Oh. Does it play music? Oh, it doesn't have any password.
Yeah, banana password.
Hey, so far, I just got employed recently, so I don't have $1 right now. How much is it?
It's about 5.
Ah, serious?
Okay.
Okay, can I just give you $1 for now? Then I go hustle. Then I can. No, don't worry, bro. I'm working at the Irengini over there.
Oh.
Yeah. But thanks. Yo, XX, bro. I'm happy to see you, Vele. My pet. Ah. Hey, my friend.
Oh, Debbie.
Hey, hello, bro.
What is the name, Bogwan?
Yo, I'm okay. How is it?
Good, my brother. How's it?
I'm okay, my friend. You know, your face kind of look familiar, you know.
Sure.
Yeah, you look like somebody I know, you know, from these social media circles.
All right, good. You know me from where, my brother? From social media?
Yes.
Ah, that's nice, my brother.
Yes.
So what's your story, man?
Yes. But is it you?
Who?
Is it you?
Me, man.
Fantan.
Yes, that's me, Fantan.
Hey, Fantan! Hey, my friend. What's up, Fantan? Hey, is it you? Woo!
Ask about Josa.
I came back recently because of Tudula issue, you know.
All right.
Is it you? Woo, bro. You know what? I'm very happy, bro.
No, nice, man.
Thank
you so much.
Can I take a picture with you, man? Fantastic.
All right, feel free.
Yes. Yeah, what's up, brother? Yeah, this is Mr. with the one and only Fantan. Yeah, what's up?
You know, that's why what's about South African and soccer, man?
No, you know what? I just got a job. Yeah, I'm working with guys from Texas.
All right.
Yeah,
Makombi.
Yeah, Urengi.
Don't go to Texas.
Yeah.
All right, but bomb along still.
Yeah. So you know what, bro?
Yeah.
I never saw someone from your studio who does a piano.
Ayo, very kwenta mapiano. Asa ustonzo kwa madedi doa. Very kwapana ndo mapiano.
He does my piano.
Piano, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
But you know, do you sign artist?
Yeah, to sign an artist.
Are you serious?
Vano gona kuimba mfano.
Yeah.
You know imba jiko?
Ima piano.
Right.
So recently when I came back, I was writing a song in a bus. You know, I was in a tough situation. So for me, music is my therapy, bro. So I was writing a song called Dudula.
Dudula.
Yeah, it was Dudula, she. Dudula, she. Dudula, she. Dudula, she. Umazimba. Dudula. Yeah, right. So
I was born now.
Yeah, so
yeah. So unafanya follow up on social media, unaenda pa Choose Sport Records, pa Instagram kana pa TikTok. Kana utoya ku Choose Sport andi kumbara, unashika pa flat nyo wandu kwa kwa rere. Rupendo warere, ndo pa Choose Sport. Unoya ipa.
Oh, yo, these are my fans. Yo, you know me from yeah. Oh, all right. Thank you so much. This is an opportunity. So you said Choose Sport on social media.
Yeah,
a new flat painted in Matatu. I'll check it. Yeah, thank you so much. Come on, Fantan. Hey. Yo, what's up? Fantan. I'll check it up for you, bro. I'll look it up for you. Bless.
It's a zero.
Square kumbanas. Well.
It's a zero $1. It's a zero. It's a zero $1. It's a zero. It's a zero $1.
Eish.